Alright, welcome to this PowerPoint 2007 tutorial, and basically today I'm going to show you how to make some pretty cool presentation effects. Alright, we're going to start out by showing you what we're going to be doing today. Alright, so that's basically the sequence of animations that we're going to be showing you today. And alright, we're going to start by creating a new presentation. Just go into New, click Blank Presentation, and Create. Now we don't need those title boxes, so we're just going to delete those. Right there. And then we're going to insert our pictures. So we're going to Insert, and then Picture, and that's going to pop up the browser. And you want to select as many pictures as you want. I'm going to take 3. Alright. Insert. And they're a bit big. I'm going to resize them. Yeah, that's about right. And then we're going to put them right in the middle. One there, one to the left, and one to the right. Just move those around a little bit until you're pleased. And the middle one I'm actually going to crop because, alright, I'm just going to format. Go into Format and then Crop. I want to resize this to fit the aspect ratio of the other two. Okay, that's about right. And then you're going to select them and basically center them. Move them to the center. That's about good. Alright. So we're going to start putting some cool visual effects on these. So first we're going to go into Format and Picture Effects. And then Reflection. There's all sorts of reflections. There's full reflection, half reflection. We're going to take half reflection. Alright. And then I'm going to just right click the slide and click Format Background. And we want a gradient fill. So we're going to click on Gradient Fill. And it's going to show 3 stops. You go to first stop, stop 1, choose white. Now stop 2, you're going to choose white again. Now in stop 3, you can choose basically any color you want. You can choose the orange, choose the teal, you can choose the purple. We're going to take blue. Alright, that's about good. Going to apply to all, close. And there you go. And now we're going to start doing the animations. Alright, so we're going to go into Animations and click on Custom Animation. That's going to pop up that little custom animation thing. And basically, well, first of all, we want all 3 of them to just appear with this special effect. Right, so we're going to select all 3, add effect, and then entrance curve up. Now you might have to go into more effects. It's going to be under exciting. So curve up. There you go. Okay. Alright. Now we're going to right click on those effects and start on click because we want them to start separately. So that's what we have up till now. Alright. The next step is you want to right click on the picture you want to move. Select bring to front and then bring to front. Alright, that's the one you want to move. Now we're going to add an effect, motion paths, and diagonal down right. Yeah. But we don't want it to move that much, so you can shorten the directional arrow and it's just going to move a bit less. And then we want to add another effect, emphasis, grow, shrink. So it's on grow by default. And timing, effect options, we don't want it to grow that big. So we want it 125. That's about right. Then we're going to click OK. So, and then want to click Start with Previous. So the the growing and the motion path are going to be happening at the same time. Alright. Now for the other two, now, while the other one is expanding, we want these two to change transparency. They're going to be more transparent. So, effect options, 25% transparency is about good. Okay. And we want them to start with the expansion. So all four are now activated by one click. Now the timing of the transparency, we want the transparency to end until next click. Alright. So what we have up to date is the three of them appearing one at a time, and then one of them going to the foreground. Alright, 1 second. You might want to change the order of the appearances at the beginning. Alright, and now that's about good. Okay, now we want the original to go back to its original place. So we're going to just choose the same motion path again. And we want an exact same motion path as the first one. Okay, exact same. Alright, now we're going to right click that motion path and choose reverse path direction. Now as you can see, it's going back to its original place. And we also want, now I just replaced the previous animation, don't want to do that. I'm just gonna, alright, now we can place a shrink. So effect options for the shrinking, so it's smaller, 80%. That's 80%, that's about good. Okay, so it's going to shrink. And we want that to happen with the motion path, so start with previous. So this is what we have. We're done with the custom animation, and that's basically the sequence of effects. So let's take a look. One click, a second click, and a third click. Now a fourth click, and a fifth click. There you go. So thank you for watching this PowerPoint tutorial. We hope you will join us next time. Thank you very much.